The Honorable Mr. Yulianto Sabat, MPD, dear lecturer, and all of my fellow students. First of all, I would like to present my research entitled Thank you for the opportunity. I can present my article today. My name is Bella Trivena Gunawan, and in our presentation, I would like to share my research article entitled "And Analyze Character of Characterization in the Short Film Are You Okay?" on YouTube. This article explores how the characters in the films deliver powerful emotional and moral message, especially in this context of teenager experience. So the next is from the background of the study, short film have become influential in the digital storytelling tool to their emotional impact and accessibility. Are You Okay? An animated short on YouTube focus on emotional struggle, abuse, and empathy among teenagers. And characters in a film are deeply developed to reflect real life challenges. And this study focus on how a characterization builds the film message. From the background of the study, short films have become powerful tools for storytelling, especially in the digital media. The film Are You Okay? Focus on the emotional struggle of teenagers, particularly around of the topic of bullying. Through strong character development, the film delivers moral messages that are both meaningful and relatable. This study and the next, the statement of the problem. The first is how are the main character Noah and Rachel characters in the short film Are You Okay on the YouTube? And the second is what types of character development are portrayed through their roles and action, and how do these contribute to overall message of the film. This study was conducted to answer two main research questions. First, how are the main character Noah and Rachel characterization in the short film? And the second, what types of the character development are portrayed through their roles and action, and how do these contribute to the film's overall message. And the next is research objective. The my research of objective first is analyze how to the main characters Noah and Raquel are characterized in the short film Are You Okay on YouTube. And the second is identify the types of character development portrayed through their roles and action, and explained how these developments contribute the overall message of the film. Okay, and the next is theoretical framework. I'm using the Nurgiantoro 20 2010 main theory. My main theoretical framework characters are classified based on the roles and development in the narrative. The first is main versus peripheral, based on frequency and importance. And the second is protagonist versus antagonist, based on alignment with the central conflict. And the third is flat versus round, based on complexity and depth. And the last is static versus dynamic, based on internal change throughout the story. This classification is used to analyze how Noah and Raquel function in the story and develop emotionally. And the second, I'm using supporting theory by Agree and 3D Dimension in the 1946 physiological appearance, age, gender, and the next is sociological background, status, environment, and the last is psychological about the mentioned fears and the motivation. Helps understand the internal layers of each character. And the last by Edgar Roberts, 1983, My Supporting Theory provides four ways to analyze character in a narrative through the character's speech, through the character's action, through the other character's comments, and the last is through the narrator's direct description. This is my theoretical framework, and I will next to my object of the study. My object of the study, this is a focus in the short animated film. The title is Are You Okay? Which was published on the YouTube by the Barbara Sinatra Children's Centers Foundation. In this short film, this language using English and the target audience teenagers and young viewers. The main character is two. The first is Noah, a boy who experienced emotional struggle and social isolation. And the second is Reiko. Reiko, a girl who shows care, empathy, and emotional awareness. This film chosen because it's a present strong emotional message and the character development in a limited time, the making it relevant for character analysis in the EFL context. Okay, the next is I'm using research method. I'm using a qualitative approach using a descriptive analysis method, and my the data source from the short animated film Are You Okay on YouTube, and my instrument I'm using observation, and the next I have a character table to analyze this timestamp, the scene, and classification character traits. Yeah. And my focus of analyze the first is characterization and character development of Noah and Raquel, and the next is Nurgantoro characters classification like round and peripheral protagonist, and the next. Okay, the next is my research procedure. I'm using the film selection and I chosen my short film Are You Okay on YouTube. And the next is observation. Watch the film to identify key moment and character interaction. And the second, I took notes of Noah and Raquel's behavior, experience, and dialogue. And the next is the data collection. Create a character analyze table including character traits, supporting evidence like a scenes, and the next is timestamp. At the minutes vibes are the other one. And the last is the data analyze. Interpret the character traits and development. And the next is identify how the characterization. And the next I have a conclusion drawing. I'm using notes have one by one and I make the conclusion from this characterization. Okay, the next is the finding from this short film by Are You Okay? And the first I'm using this finding using Neurogiantoro 2010 years, and the first is main character. They play essential roles, and the Noah as the victim of bullying, and the Raquel as the supportive friend and have a moral voice. And the second is protagonist character. Noah, silent but strong, represents resiliency and emotional endurance. And the second is Raquel, kind and courage, show initiative to support others, to say, "Are you okay?" Like this. Okay, from the next is the round character. This front character, Rockwell. So why I choose the Rockwell? Because I'm look at this, the Rockwell undergoes clear emotional growth from a passive observer to an empathic ally to the other friends. Her transformation depends the emotional impact of the story. And the third is dynamic characters. Rockwell changes internally after experiencing bullying herself. Her growth leads to a turning point, asking Noah, "Are you okay?" This marked the beginning of healing for Butch character. For Butch character. Okay, the next is the moral value from this short film. Choose the empathy and understanding. Raquel learns to understand Noah's pains after becoming of fighting herself. This is a empathy grows from shared experience from the Noah and Raquel. And the next is the power of reaching out. A simple question like "Are you okay?" can break emotional isolation. Small kindness can have a big impact. And the third, consequences of bullying. The film show how the bullying causes emotional pain, fear, and loneliness. Victims and bystanders are both affected. Support and solidarity, Raquel and Noah built a friendship based on the mutual pain and healing. Solidarity offers strength and protections the other one. And the next is the impact of social media. The film raises awareness of how cyberbullying worsens mental health. Digital platforms can amplify harm, and the next is the importance of self-care. This story reminds viewers to care for their mental well-being. Seeking help and emotional support is essential for us. Okay, and the next is conclusion. The short film Are You Okay? Effectively conveys a meaningful moral values through the character of Raquel and Noah. Their characterization reflects empathy, resiliency, and courage in the face of bullying. Raquel's transformation shows how empathy can lead to personal growth and social impact, and the film emphasizes the importance of human can lead to personal growth and emphasis of importance of human connection and a small act of kindness, and this is remind us that even simple question like "Are you okay?" can lead to healing and change everyone. From this "Are You Okay?" is not only visual narrative, but also a powerful social lesson that promotes the kindness, courage, and inclusivity. Okay, and the next is oh, I think this is enough for me because Yes, we are done. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this article can make you happy and a good condition. Okay, thank you and see you.